Good evening, guys. Welcome to NextGen IT Courses. So today we have a Firewall Bundle session. We'll start with the Fortinet Firewall today. We are covering from the basic to advanced, NSC 4 and NSC 7 level. We are covering, and let me share my screen to you. Yeah, anyone confirm my screen is visible? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, your screen is visible
Thank you,
and
sir.
audible as well.
So, guys, this is our website, nextgenitcourses.com. And once you will log in our portal, you can see here, you will, see your courses, Fortinet Firewall, SOC Analyst, whatever you will enroll, okay? And networking, CCNA, CCNP, Firewall, Cloud, anything. You can go to our website and just log in and you can check your any course. Like, let me show you here how you can access the course. Yeah. You can access any live class recording here, okay, with the topic name we have mentioned here, okay. So you can watch from the mobile application also. We have official application. You can download application and you can watch anytime 24 by 7. And so we are giving the lab access also. You don't need to download anything on your system. We are giving you username, ID, password so that you can do the configuration 24 by 7. Yeah, so here you can log in with your username, ID, password. Here you can see the topologies we have already created. Even you are getting your admin access. You can create your own topologies also. If you are creating, clicking on any topologies, let me just randomly click on any topology here. It's for all courses, Palo Alto, Fortinet, any course you are enrolling, you will be getting the lab access for any course. So here you can open the topology and you can do the configuration 24 by 7 and admin access. You can create your own topologies also. So we are giving the handmade notes also. You don't need to worry. Similar, along with the course video, you will be having the attachment here, and you can download the attachment also. That is an handmade notes by engineers, so you can watch anytime. A lot of yeah, like that. And Hindi and English, both languages are available. If you are enrolling in English and you need Hindi videos also, so you are getting everything in your portal. So now coming to the topic, and we have our trainer also with us. Hi, Amit sir. I hope you are doing well.
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you. Thank you, Sachin. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening, sir. So over to you, sir. We can start with the Fortinet introduction, and we can start with some fundamental also. And over to you. Please start the session.
Hey, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Sachin. And we are going to start. So, before starting, I just wanted to tell something about me first. Okay, guys. So, hey guys, my name is Amit, and it's been now more than 10 years. You will say in the industry, taking care for the training part most of the time. I am having experience in training different vendors, different technologies. It starts from Fortinet Firewall, Palo Alto, Cisco Firewalls, as well as in the market there are many. Checkpoint is also one from them. Sophos, like these type of firewalls, I also train people on. Not only this, once it comes to routing and switching knowledge, yes, I've already trained people on routing part and switching part at expert level. Okay. So once it comes to my expertise in training, so I already have trained more than 10,000 students in my career. And if you talk about the technology and variety, then that starts from CCNA. If you talk about Cisco, and go all the way from CCNP till CCI level. Okay, so I do provide training on CCI track as well, in enterprise infrastructure as well as in security part as well. Okay, so this was very brief about me, and you'll be definitely getting benefit of all those spend years in the technology, in the training. Yes, that all you are going to get in this particular bundled course that we already have launched that. So this is day one of that particular bundled course. So we'll be jumping directly in the Fortinet firewall, and we'll start from very scratch. Like if you do not have any knowledge about any firewall, even you will start learning this, because we are going to start it from scratch, from zero, and we'll start and we'll go all the way from NSC 4 till NSC 7. That is something uh, advanced level, will be understanding everything. But main point is we are going to start from scratch. And what is the prerequisite? You should have little bit knowledge about networking, like how to assign IPs, what are routers and what are switches. All those, if you are aware, you are ready to go with this particular bundled course. Any question before starting, guys?
Hello,
Yes.
Rinku this side, sir.
Hi, Rinku.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
सर तो क्या ये ऑल द ट्रेडिंग ये इंग्लिश और हिंदी?
So, like, this is natively in English, like starting in English. If you are not understanding English, also I can speak Hindi. Like both language I'm comfortable with.
Yes, yes. We can, cover in both languages. Don't worry, guys. So Hindi, English mix you can discuss. If somebody is interested in Hindi to ask a question, we will answer that. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Okay,
I will align with Sachin. Yes, correct.
okay.
Your voice is not coming, sir, if you're speaking.
I got muted by someone. I don't know.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Because some sound was coming from background, might be mistakenly someone muted me. Okay, so the don't know, I don't know, like, believe me guys, I'm not making any sound from background. I'm only speaking and just addressing you all. Okay, so I have my rack access already with me, so I'll be going and taking the rack access, and believe me guys, you guys are going to enjoy today. And how? Let's see that. So I'm just taking, just allow me one moment. I am already in, about to in my rack. Just give me one moment, please. Just confirm once my screen is showing to you. Is that going through? सबको screen दिख रही मेरी?
Yes, sir, visible.
Sorry, sir. Normally I just joined the class, sir.
Okay.
Before 10 minutes or anything I have taken.
So you are saying you just joined this meeting?
Yeah. Just now only I started the class, joined the class, sir.
No issue. Actually, we did.
Okay.
We haven't discussed anything in detail here so far. So what I'm doing, I just introduced about myself, and after that I jumped to this particular Fortinet.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Sir, yesterday you told Cisco ASA will be
Yeah.
first you are going to take care, but right now plan has changed, huh?
Yeah. Changed on the demand actually. Okay. So people are more interested to learn Fortinet first. Correct. So no issue. Once we'll be starting Cisco one, will start from ASA, then we'll go all the way till FTD. Like this is, see, this is complete bundle. So everything, anyhow, I'm going to teach you guys. So either
Okay.
start from Cisco, either start from Fortinet or from Paloalto. Yeah. The case is you guys are going to get everything in detail. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, guys. So see, I just wanted to show you something. Just start seeing every node, every device on your screen, and let me explain you how this design is made. So typical design, this is a typical design, or you can say very common design that you can see even in your company. And let me explain you how. See, let's suppose you are a company and your company name is ABC Corporation. With me? And now your company has headquarter in Delhi. Your company has one branch in Chennai. And your data center is, your company data center is in Bangalore. Yeah. If there is any spelling mistake, just ignore that. Just understand the, let me make it international, okay? Your headquarter is in Delhi, your one branch is in LA. Now it will make more sense. And one data center is in Sydney. So far, so good. You guys are following with me, like you are understanding, right? And your company is India-based company. Let's go to the topology. Now see, now you will understand. Are you able to see this area? Yes. This is your data center part. Understanding that? And who is the WAN facing device here? Your Fortinet firewall. Welcome to the Fortinet firewall day one, guys. So this is your Fortinet firewall that is actually facing your all the data center related traffic once they are coming in or they are coming, they are going out from here. Understanding so far, guys? Once I am saying data center, how many of you are understanding data? What does data center mean? Yes, guys, do not hesitate, just ask. Do you know about what is data center?
Sir, data center is collection of servers
Yeah.
providing
So let's
service.
suppose if you are talking about ABC Corporation, like your company's server or you can say high computing devices are not available at your local location. However, that is available somewhere. Let's see where your headquarter is where? In Delhi, but your data center is in Sydney, Australia. It means what? Like all the high computing devices you deployed somewhere in data center. And what is the location? That is Sydney. Understanding that. But now question is how you are taking access of those data centers, like those data center available resources, servers, how you are taking access. So answer is here, guys. Before going here, let's go here and see. This is your headquarter. So most probably as per our notepad detail, what is the location of this area? Tell me where your headquarter is located.
Delhi, sir.
Yeah, this
Delhi.
is in Delhi, correct. So if you want to access, some server that is available in Sydney, then how you'll be going there? Is there anything in between? Can you see that? Definitely we have one WAN, right?
Yes,
Let's
sir. Yes,
see,
sir.
let's
Without when
suppose
we
this
cannot
is
exit.
your ISP. Yeah,
Yes, sir. When ISP through.
understanding it. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
good.
And second option, sir, MPLS.
Yeah, might be MPLS or whatever. This is WAN. Yeah. So once we
Yes,
talk
sir. This is
about
one.
you can say technology over connectivity, then we have how many type of service providers and ISP, like these two we have right now. Okay, once we talk about ISP, then again we have different type of ISPs as well, and very popular technology as he mentions, MPLS is one of them, that is service provider, correct? Like only little bit functionality is different, but end goal of all the technologies like service provider either or internet service provider, they are providing at the end same outcome. Understanding that? Yeah. So this is your branch, and where your branch is as per your notepad. Your branch is in LA, Los Angeles. Good. How many firewalls right now you are seeing on your screen? And all the firewalls are FortiGate firewall. And what does that mean? That means we are going to do one very interesting thing today, and that is we'll be configuring all these firewalls till where we can reach all these firewalls from scratch. Like nothing is there on these firewalls, guys, believe me. If there is something, I'll be erasing that out and will making that brand new. Let's suppose you are a network security engineer. You got assigned this project and you are making the design, you are doing the configuration, all the documentation you are making. Now, tell me how you are going to do all these things step by step. So just suppose as me that I'm doing here in or on your behalf, guys, just relate with me. Just think like you are doing. Okay, then how you'll be doing and how you'll be taking this approach ahead, and you'll be making and configuring all these firewalls in a queue starting from step one. So what is the first thing that we are going to do? First, we have already our design ready. This is the very basic thing and very first thing that any security engineer or any architect is going to give you, or if you are working as security or network architect, you are going to make first of all your topology ready. Is that good? We are aligned so far. So our topology is already here. So this part, whatever time we were going to spend on that, that is already saved. What is the second step? Once everything is okay, then we are going to see the IP schema. Now see, do you guys need to provide any IP additional here, or all the IPs are already available? Tell me. Is there any IP you need to provide from your end? No. Why? See, at every device you are able to see what is the IP of that device. Isn't it, guys? Tell me. Yeah.
No,
But nothing is configured, guys. So you need to configure those devices. Everything is there, design is ready, IP is ready. Now you need to do configuration on your own, where we actually start our class. So far, so good. You all are aligned with me, guys. If you say, then we can go ahead and start doing configuration. So tell me, which device we should be configuring first? Tell me. If the headquarter, which area? Headquarter, data center, or your branch? Technically, headquarter will be configured first, correct? So let's start from India only. So, okay.
okay.
Yeah. So how will we configuring? Let me wipe it out. If there is any configuration already made, that will be gone. This step you can also take in your own lab. Once you are getting access of lab from NextGen, you can also click here and you can wipe all the configuration that is already there. So right now this is going to be loaded from scratch, like nothing is there in this particular firewall. Okay, till the time it is coming up, I'm going on other firewalls and also wiping them out, so that if there is any configuration, they will be gone. Okay, little bit more I will be telling about this topology and what are the devices there and what is there inside. That you are able to see here is management PC. But literally, is this management PC or something else? I'm going to reveal that as well. So once you will be seeing this complete topology, you will not asking question in your head like, hey, what is there inside? Okay. So let me show you everything from step one. So see, this is showing like management PC, but believe me, this is not management PC. And what is this instead? This is a cloud. And what is that? This is one adapter. I am connecting my firewall with that adapter so that I can actually take access of this firewall using my native PC. Native PC, like that PC you are seeing all these things. Are you with me, understanding the things well? So actually this adapter, where is this adapter in my PC? Let me show you first that one. Here is that adapter. This adapter is that I am just representing here with the management PC. Technically, I am connecting my FortiGate firewall with this particular adapter. Understanding that once you will be installing EVNG or some type of VMware on your laptop, native laptop, or you are taking access of some server, so you automatically will get two adapter. One is VMnet 8, just like you are seeing here, and another you will be getting, that is VMnet 1. They both are there so that they can provide you connectivity from this virtualized environment with your native PC. Understanding that or not? Just let me know if you are not getting it. So what I'm saying this. Whatever you are seeing on the screen, that is inside this VMware workstation, guys. Understanding that? But if everything is inside this VMware workstation, so how I'll be connecting my this particular all the devices that is inside my VMware workstation with my local PC? Like if I want to ping these devices from my own PC, will I be getting any access? Yes, I'll be getting, but for that we need some adapter or some bridge type thing who will be helping my this native PC to connect with that VMware workstation. And once that connection is established, I'll be able to easily access these devices that is there inside the VMware using my native browser, guys. Is that making sense? This is the first method that we can use. Otherwise, I can I can connect only directly PC here, management PC, and using that PC I can take access of my all the firewalls. Are you guys are able to relate with this? So here I'll be taking real PC. Okay, don't worry. I'm just deleting it. Even everywhere it was like the same VMnet adapter, but here I'll be taking the real PC this way, and here I will not take. Like here I will be connecting one PC. Let me connect. And that Windows PC I am taking from here, that is Windows 10 I have. I am just going and just increasing the CPU as well as RAM, because we are going to guys, so far so good. Let me change the name. This is you can say security admin. Yeah. So let's go ahead and start doing the configuration. As I wiped out all the firewalls, data center firewall, branch firewall, headquarter firewall. So I have a quick question from everyone. Tell me, guys, your all the firewalls are deployed where? If they are deployed in the front facing with WAN, or they are inside your company, or you can say somewhere inside and they are secured with another type of device in between somewhere. If your firewalls are directly facing the WAN, this is the question. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Directly
sir.
facing the wind.
Definitely.
Directly
So
facing to WAN using ISP.
Correct. So point is why, what is the approach? Why we do deploy our firewall at the edge of our autonomous system? What is the reason behind? Once I am saying autonomous system, what does that mean? Anyone here who can share? What does autonomous system mean? Like your complete company, I'm
Sir, within
referring here.
same
Yeah. So once I am saying
the
autonomous
same
system, it means I am talking about this complete unit, right? Either this is headquarter, or this is branch, or this is your data center. So what I'm asking, why your firewall is at the edge of your autonomous system? So reason is so that it can create a barrier between untrusted network and trusted network. Correct? And it can act like a security guard here and do inspection, can do analysis, all those things it can do here only. What does that mean? Once I'm saying inspection, once I'm saying it can do it can work like a guard, then what does that mean? That means if someone is from internet, from here, let's suppose, is trying to come inside your branch and want to access something here you have, so this firewall is going to check if that particular user who is coming from somewhere untrusted source, is that legitimate user and trying to access my resources in the proper and legal way, or it is trying to put my servers or some devices are there inside my company down. Correct? That part this firewall also will be taking care, as well as once these branch PCs, these users want to go on internet, whatever website they are visiting, if they are not visiting any good website, they are visiting some website that is not having a good flag, then it is again going to see what these users are doing. Like it is keeping its eye on everything, what is coming from outside to inside and what is going from inside to outside, and it is taking action. Either it is, or it is just creating some alert for admin to take action. That depends in what mode your these firewalls are deployed there. If these firewalls are deployed in the IDS mode, they are going to generate logs, they are going to create some alert for security admin, say, see, these users are not doing well, okay? You need to take some action, you need to apply some remedy, because they can cause issue. Whatever things they are doing, those activities are not allowed and they can cause some issue. This, who will do this if your firewall is deployed in what mode? In the mode of that is known as IDS, intrusion detection system. Making sense? If the same firewall is deployed in IPS mode, then it will not only detect the log, detect the behavior, as well as it will also fix that issue. Like this IPS means intrusion prevention system. What it does, it will find out the issue. If, like, it will try to get what is happening here. Like it always keep doing the same thing, like it always keep eye what is going on. Once it will rectify, like it will find out, oh, see, something is not going that is required to be done, but something is not happening as per the standards of the company, so it is going to take the action as well. So it can, let's suppose some user is here accessing some website having virus on that website. Once this user will try to download something from there, so what is the potential issue, what is the potential you can say problem can occur in your system, that is your systems can be compromised. Correct? So what this IPS will do in that case, it will block this user to download that particular content from that bad website. Are you guys able to relate how good your firewall can be for your company? Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, guys, I want to see. I want to hear some noise here. Make some noise, guys.
Yes.
You are so many. That's what I'm asking. Dinesh, Vishal, Dhanesh, Suman. Guys, yes, understanding. I cannot take everyone's name because you are more here.
Correct, sir. Yes.
Good.
sir, could you explain that IBS and IDS?
Yeah, exactly. I'll
Tell
be
once.
explaining once we'll be going on, but I just gave you little bit introductory part, right? Let me tell you a
Sir,
little bit.
we are getting echo.
Are you getting echo?
You're not
Really?
getting the voice correctly, sir.
Now you're getting voice correctly? Okay. Once I am saying IDS and IPS, what is the difference between, right? You want to understand that? Okay. So this is intrusion detection. This is so your firewalls most of the time you will be seeing they are deployed in either mode, like IDS or IPS. Okay. Any of them you will be using, or both of them you can use. So IPS, you can say this is the combination of IDS. IPS already consists of IDS inside this. Why? IPS means what? Okay, Vishal, I can understand your situation. No worry. Intrusion detection system is for creating alerts. Okay. Once I am saying trusted network means what, and once I am saying untrusted network, what does that mean, guys? Any guess? So why IDS is there? IDS is there for creating alerts, or you can say generating alerts on the basis of its continuous lookup on the traffics are traveling between trusted and untrusted networks. Trusted means your local, like private network. Untrusted means that is something that is on internet.
Yeah,
Making
public
sense?
network. Public
Yeah.
network.
Yeah, public network. You are right. So, and what intrusion prevention system does? This this is going to do all the things that your IDS is doing. Okay, like they will be also generating, or you can say creating alerts, or you can say warning alerts or warning, whatever you want to say. Just understand the concept, that is more important. As well as they also do fixing. What does that means? Like they will take action as well. Making sense? So IDS will not take any action. It will just inform, hey, see, these things are going on. Okay, these things are going on. These things are happening that should not be happening, but it is happening. This will only create what?
Alert.
Warning message or alerts, right?
Yes.
And what IPS will do? It will create log, but it will also take action. Now you got the difference? Yes?
Yes.
Good. So like once you are seeing any firewall is there deployed in whatever company, like whatever vendor that belong, either the mode will be IPS or IDS. Making sense? You guys got the difference? This is very confusing part where most of the security engineers I have seen, they get confused if they are being asked, okay, tell me difference between IDS and IPS, as well as what is firewall. Like how interviewer asks question, let me tell you. Your interviewer is going to ask you, what is the difference?
Again, we are getting echo only, sir. We are not getting the clear voice.
Sorry?
Sir, but again, we are getting echo only, sir.
Are you only getting, or someone else is also there impacted?
No, sir, all okay.
No,
No,
I
no
think
issue. No issue.
no issue. We don't have any issues. Naveen might be
Okay, we'll
having.
rejoin.
yeah, Naveen
Once
having
again.
internet issue, I think.
Hey, this is Naveen actually. Hey, Naveen, how are you doing, man? Yesterday you joined and asked so many questions. Good. I really appreciate. So you are getting any voice? Echo? Okay, do one thing. If you connected using some headphone or any hands-free, please disconnect that. Okay, you will stop getting that. Good? Yeah. They make issue sometimes. Okay? Yeah. This is just like you install some freeware, like free version of software of any antivirus. If that antivirus is outdated, it is again acting like some virus in your system. Okay. So please disconnect that, and it will be fixing your issue. Naveen, is that fine now? Your issue is solved? Yeah. Now not speaking. I think he is not able to unmute himself. No issue. No issue. Let's go ahead and see. Now, so many things we have discussed. Not so many, like only one or two topic we have discussed. But before moving on this part and deep dive, let's go ahead and start configuring our devices, guys. Okay, because it's already past 35 minutes. Let's go ahead and start doing. Yes, what do you say, guys? Should we going and starting the configuration? Yeah.
Start.
Okay, at least we'll be doing the configuration and giving the IP, and after that, one or two policies we are going to give. After that, we'll be taking a stop for today. Okay, so I am just clicking on this headquarter firewall right now. Let me show you how it is going to be opened. See what it is coming first once you are opening. It is asking you login. Login means it is expecting you to enter some username. Okay, so default username, because this is brand new. Okay, so default username is coming with this is admin. Now it is asking for password. Any guess what will be the password, guys? Is that password will be admin? Is that password will be test? Is that password will be login or what? Tell me.
Password.
Admin at the rate
Just
123.
enter. No password. Just enter.
Yeah, I think you remember from ASN.
It will be admin.
No password, actually. It is blank. It is not expecting anything to enter. Just press blank, like you just press enter, not blank even. Nothing. There is nothing set. Okay, that is blank. Once I pressed enter, then what is the next thing it is showing on the screen? See, guys. Oh, it is actually timed out. Okay, I took time to explain you. So it was showing here, you are forced to change your password. Please input a new password. No issue. Let me go again and enter the username because it was timed out. I will press enter. Then again it is asking new password. See, I am entering new password, and believe me, guys, new password is 123. Let me tell you, this is not recommended to use in your real production environment, but because we are doing live here, to make it easy and accessible and fast, I'm making this password. But I will never recommend anyone to use very simple password like 123. Okay, yeah, that is not recommended but used here just because of live. Okay, making sense? So far so good. Any question from anyone here? You got it? Yeah. Now let me do initial configuration, so at least I can take GUI access of my this firewall. Why I am saying GUI access? Why I am saying graphical user interface access? Reason is behind that, guys, because these are the next gen firewalls. Okay, and next gen firewalls are really very easy to configure, but you should have prior knowledge of the things like backend things. If you are doing some configuration, then how that configuration is going to create impact and how that configuration is going to behave in your environment. If you are aware about that, then configuring things using GUI mode is just you can say a kid's game. Okay, like anyone can do that, but not everyone can understand that concept. Okay, so we need to first understand the concept, then we'll be going to configure everything using GUI, just like a kid plays game with its toys. Okay, let's go ahead and start that, guys. So what is the first step? Before starting, let me tell you a few interesting facts. See, on your FortiGate firewall, your port number is by default management port. Are you with me, everyone? Understanding that? Once I'm saying management port means what? Like this port is most of the cases is used to take console access of your this device and configure all your boxes settings. First time, initially, I mean to say. What does that means? If this is management ports, so most of the time you will be seeing this port 1 having the DHCP enabled. What does that mean? That means if you are bringing brand new Fortinet firewall, if you are connecting your firewall with some PC or device, PC or user device where or admin device, then if you are connecting that using your firewall port number 1, it is going to ask for automatic what? Automatic IP configuration. Making sense? So like this port 1 will be always be in the DHCP mode on. Are you guys able to relate with that? Even I can show you. See. Yeah.
All devices permanently it will be port number 1 will be used to the
Yeah.
main time also.
I think network issue is really Naveen from your end, what I can see. No issue. See, port 1 is DHCP on, okay? Correct? And what about other ports? They are not asking for anything. They are saying, hey, you go ahead and give me static IP, like manual configuration you can do. But what about port 1? It is by default on, and it is asking for, hey, can you give me IP? Like this is already enabled in DHCP client mode. Making sense? Yeah. And what about others? They are like quiet. They are just waiting. If you want to say me something, you can say, I'm not doing anything. I'm statically and I'm quiet. But port 1 is actually trying to get IP. But it will not get. Why? Because port 1 is here in our design is connected with this WAN device. I don't know if this WAN device is really going to give you IP. Do you think any internet is going to give you IP? No, not at all. Till the time you are not purchasing IP, correct? If you will be purchasing IP,
Yes.
then you will be assigning that manually, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So this was my job to explain you about the port 1. Port 1 is there deployed as management port. Is that fine? Let's go ahead and start the configuration. So tell me guys, by seeing this, tell me what interface I am going to configure as management port here. Tell me. See this and tell me.
Configure.
Yes, Naveen, speak.
Management, sir. Through management port,
Port
you are going
5,
to
correct?
configure the management IP. I mean LAN IP.
This port 5, I can configure like management IP. Why? See where management PC is. And what range IP I will give here. Technically speaking,
192.168.120.0.
this is the IP that I'm going to give here, okay? That is 192.168.120.200. Okay? Let's go ahead and just configure that interface. Are you guys with me? Let's go ahead and do that. So how you can configure? So command to configure IP using CLI. This is the requirement first time. Config system, then interface. This is the command, guys. Okay. Once you will enter this command and press enter, then it will help you to jump into interface mode. Are you with me, everyone? So far, so good. You are understanding. And what interface we want to configure? Port number 5, correct? See the topology. Port number 5. If you guys mind, can you take a quick snip of this? So once I am saying port number 5, you will be able to see in your phone and you will be able to relate. Yes. Go ahead and do it right away, guys. Take a screenshot. Once done, just tell me yes, done. Done? No one is speaking.
Done.
Thank you. Thank you. Now port 5, we are going to configure as what? As management. So if you want to configure any interface, then how you'll be configuring? Type on command that is edit. After that, select the port. And what is the port number? That is 5. Then press enter. Here you can configure IP. And to configure IP, what command you will take? If you want to take help, what are the commands available? Just press question mark from your keyboard and you will be seeing all the commands are available inside that port configuration. And what are those? Configure object, modify values. Yeah, it is saying modify values. Once you are giving IP, like you are doing some modification, right? So I'll be using set. And how many commands you have after set? See, vdom, vrf, 40 links, mode, priority, yeah, DSCP relay service, DSCP relay, IP, allow access, fail detect, so many here. Even you cannot read without giving much time. But I'm going to set what? IP. I'm going to set what? IP. Is that good? Again, I'm just putting here question mark, then it is giving me put the IP address and subnet mask, and the syntax is here in the same format. And what is the IP we need to give here, guys? Tell me, because you already took the screenshot. What IP is intended to be here?
192.168.122.200.
122.200. And what is the subnet mask? That was not mentioned here, I think.
/24.
Yeah, /24, let's take. Is that good?
Yeah.
And what after that? It is saying, hey, don't do anything. Press enter. Is that good? This is the very simplest way to doing the configuration of IP. Yeah, let's go ahead.
Great.
And what after that? What are the things that you need to allow after this? If you are just setting IP, then what are the things that you can do right now? Right now, you cannot do anything till the time you are not putting this command. And what is that? End. Saying end, it means you are saying, hey, see, whatever configuration I made, apply that. Making sense?
Okay.
It's good. Now your IP is set. But you
And
can
then,
ask
sir,
me, hey, I don't believe you have set the IP. But let me show you.
Show
Show
interface.
system interface. And then question mark. See, the IP is showing here. No,
Interface
this
type.
is not
Port
that
type.
IP. This is that
Port
IP.
type.
Yeah, exactly. This is set. Good.
So after that up, what is disabled?
This is here.
After
Okay.
subnet up is there. After that, disable.
What is this, na?
Yes.
Don't go inside that, please. Yeah. Why I'm saying, let me tell you. Reason is, see, they are not actually so much in the CLI, okay? If you want to understand. If you want to really understand, just ask me question once I'm showing you the GUI mode, okay? Then you will be getting everything by default understandable. You will
In
not
GUI,
ask
we
a
can
single
understand
question.
it.
Why I am saying, let me tell you. Even I can explain you. I know what does that mean, but I'm not going to explain. Reason is you'll be confused, okay? Why? Because of the indentation issue. Things are not well aligned in the output window. That's why I'm
Yes.
not going to explain.
Yes.
Otherwise, that's fine, okay? Like
Okay.
you definitely can understand this is up, okay? Like
Yeah,
this port is up,
that is
correct?
interface status.
Sir, hello.
This is, yeah.
Sir,
in
in
the
the
firewall
firewall
system, how many port will be available, sir?
sir?
Hey, Naveen, I think you joined from 2 users I'm seeing. This is the issue you are getting the voice echo, okay? Just disconnect one.
Now getting
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yeah, tell me.
In the firewall router, firewall system, how many port will be available, sir? Only 6 port only showing. Whether we have more than 6 port or only.
Yeah, it can. You
Interfaces.
can edit that. Like, see, once you are purchasing the brand new, you can ask them to, like, as per your requirement, they'll be providing accordingly. But in our lab environment, you can add there so many. Let me show you from where you'll be adding. Just wait. You go here. Once you are taking the, not here, edit one. And from here you can add. How many Ethernet I took? 6. You can add it, add more, and that will be shown.
How much maximum? How much available, sir?
Actually, there is no such limit they are giving. Okay, but this depend on your type of your type of license that you are purchasing. So right now we are not using any license. This is in evaluation mode. Okay, so it is again not going to restrict you, but yeah, the simple concept, you keep trying. How many they are allowing? But I have not actually took more than 6 so far. Okay.
Okay.
Once you'll be getting access now, just keep trying and doing practice. Okay, don't worry. Just keep doing the same thing. You'll be coming to know. Yeah, this is not the case, but if you are purchasing real device, then that matters literally. Why? Because they are going to charge you for whatever port, whatever configuration, whatever resources you are asking them to provide. On the basis of that, they'll be activating subscription model for your company. Making sense?
Yes.
Oh, good. So let's go ahead and see. Now, one thing very interesting I want to tell you. Can I ping my this headquarter firewall from my native PC? This is the question. Let's go ahead and try to ping. Ping 192.168.122.200. Is this going? No. And why? Why it's not
Sir,
going?
we have to connect to the PC also, sir. We have to connect the interface to the PC.
Actually, this is VMnet adapter. Actually, this is connected. So actually, this one is providing me connectivity between my native PC and with this virtualized environment. Okay, but point is, I'm still not able to get access. Reason is only not configuring IP is enough. You need to go on your firewall and you need to allow services there on this box.
Yeah, sir.
Right now, nothing is allowed.
Policy allow.
Not allow
No,
the
you should
policies
add
are here.
gateway.
I will do one correction. We are not allowing policy. We are allowing the service on this box. Okay. So that if
Okay.
someone wants to take access for this box, then that will be able to do. Like what we want to allow right now. Let's go ahead inside our Fortinet firewall again. Let's go inside interface configuration, edit port 5. Then how you'll be allowing? This is the command set allow access. What was that you want to allow? Ping. If once you are putting ping, then go and press end. Come back again on your CLI. Now try to ping and see if this is working or not. Is this working?
Yes.
You guys got? Yeah. Now question is, can I take GUI of this firewall right away?
Yes.
Let's try it.
200.
Is this working?
Yes,
No.
No service need to be enabled.
Correct. Service is not allowed. Like we allowed.
HTTPS service not allowed, sir.
Exactly. You guys are able to relate. Why it is not working? Because we did not allow any HTTP related things. And once I am going using browser, what it is using in backend, what protocol it is using? Yeah, see, can't reach this page. Yeah. So point is, why it's not working? Reason is that is not allowed. Let's go ahead and allow that as well. So how will be doing? Config system interface, edit port number 5, set allow access, HTTP. Oh, HTTPS, it is taking by default HTTP, HTTPS, HTTP, ping, telnet, okay, SSH, and then press enter. Then type end. If you're not typing end, it is not going to be committed. Like whatever configuration you are making, they are wasted, okay? Make
Okay.
sure you are pressing end after the command to make it executed. Understood? So there are
Yeah.
few notes for you guys. Don't forget to press this end. This is magical, guys. Yeah. Now go and try to take again access of this firewall and see if it is coming up or not. Oh, hey, here you are. Good. What was the username? That was admin. What we set as password? That was 123. Press enter. Finally, you are inside your GUI. It is saying begin. It is asking, do you want to set any host name? Right now, it is default one. I am going to set it. What firewall name I should be giving here, guys? Tell me. Headquarter firewall.
Yes.
I'm matching with the topology. Okay. It is saying dashboard setup. For dashboard setup, what two methods we have? Optimal and comprehensive. Which one you want to set? I'm not setting anyone actually. I'll be doing it later, okay? Or I can press on okay. It doesn't matter. You can, after that, you can modify the settings there and you can, like this is all about how your GUI page will be looking once you are in first time. Or you are logging out and you are coming in, okay? And what is this? This is little bit introduction type thing. What's new in the FortiOS 7.0? Like this is introduction of this firewalls operating system. All right. We are saying don't show again. Okay. If we need, then we'll be going again and we'll see all the videos. We'll watch all the videos on YouTube or on FortiOS website. Okay. Like Fortinet website. No issue. I am pressing it. Okay. And here you are, guys. Everything is showing on the screen. Are you able to see it, everyone?
Yes.
How you are feeling now? You
Super.
got the GUI access of your firewall. Yeah. Now see, what are the licenses you have? What it is saying? Do you have FortiGate support? It is saying not supported, like you do not have license. Do you have firmware and general updates related license? No. IPS, not
No.
supported. Antivirus, not supported. Web filtering, no. What does that mean? Like we do not have right now any license related what? Next gen firewall features specifically. But definitely we'll be taking some trick and find out some way to understand next gen firewall features. Okay, that I'll be helping you to understand, guys. Is that making sense to everyone? Yeah.
Yeah.
Administrators, console, HTTP, and Forti Explorer. What does that mean? It is saying, it means what? These many sessions are active right now. Is it showing correct?
Yes.
One console I took here, yeah? Here, console is working. And here, one HTTP
HTTP.
is working.
Where is Explorer?
Forti Explorer,
Yeah.
that is not there. This is not like this. This is something else that is from the FortiGate and directly. Okay.
Okay.
You can also allow access and you can access your this FortiGate box from Forti Explorer as well, but we are not using that. That is something once you are you are having complete native deployment of the Fortinet web devices only. Making sense? So at that time we can use this feature, that is Forti Explorer. Not feature, you can say function that you can use. Okay. So right now, what is the administrator's access? You are admin. You also have super admin things here, but that is not showing. That is here is specifically reserved for some other reasons. But this is the thing that you have all the things available. And what is the security fabric name? That is FortiGate VM64 KVM. And there are so many other things. WAN IP is unknown because we did not purchase any license. That's why it is not showing here WAN IP. Uptime is 37 minutes 25 seconds. Like this is the time since it starts first time. System time it is showing 25:11. Like this is date, this is time. Is this matching? No. Then you can go first where? If you want to make changes, then where you need to go? You need to go inside system. And after that in settings.
Settings.
Here you can change time zone. What is the time zone here, guys?
Plus 530.
Plus 530, yes. Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai? Yeah. Good. Now see, few interesting things I am telling you. HTTP port, you can take access of this FortiGate firewall on HTTP port 80. If you do not want to take access of HTTP on port number 80, most of the cases in your companies, you will see no default port is allowed there. So you can change it as well. I am putting it 8080. Then what will happen once I am putting here 8080? Tell me, guys. I'll be logged out, correct? Because I already took access of this particular FortiGate firewall using port number 80. Why? Because I'm using HTTP.
Yes.
Okay. So if I'm going and changing the port, let me change a little bit more things here so you'll be understanding. Even you can change your SSH port. See, guys, this setting option that you are seeing right now, this is all the setting related to your box. Correct? This is all about your box setting, nothing else. You are setting time here, you are setting time zone here. Yeah, you are setting set time like from where you want to take time, from some NTP server or manual setting you want to do, you can do even here. See, it is allowing and giving you access to do that. All these things you are able to do. You want to take SSH of this firewall, then what port you are by default 22, you can change that port as well. What is the idle timeout? That is 5 minutes. Let's set it maximum 480 minutes. Otherwise, it every time once you will be putting idle, it will be turning like logging out from the session.
Yes.
So these are few things that we should be changing. You should be changing. And this is the theme, how your firewall will look like. See, you can make it change and you'll be seeing things are changed right away. Whatever you are loving to make it, you can. Yeah. By default, it was in this, I think, Jade. Making sense?
Yes.
And there are so many other things as well that we are not doing right now, but I changed the port. See, 8080. Now, once I will click on apply, what it is saying, your changes have been saved. And one thing surprising, this is not surprisingly done. If you go here, your port is changed automatically. See, 8080. Getting it?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's
Let's
redirect.
suppose you are going here and trying to take access. Will it work?
No.
Why?
We
सर
have
मैनुअली
to
हम डिफाइंड अ पोर्ट नंबर
port.
सर.
Yeah, we change the port number. Exactly.
Yeah.
You guys are getting it, guys. You guys are already security expert.
सर आई एम L3 इंजीनियर सर.
Wow. Good. See, I am taking access on port number 8080. Is that good? You guys are enjoying so far?
Yes.
Not only this, there are so many other steps, like how you'll be doing the other configuration. Go inside network and let's do the configure interfaces. And how will be doing that? Click on network section, go inside interfaces. Here all the interfaces are shown. Able to see? Port 1, port 2, port 3, and how will be doing the configuration? Double click on that. And this is open. Here you are. We set their allow access. Remember, set allow access. And whatever command, whatever things we run after that set allow access, everything is shown here. We do not need to go on CLI and putting them on. No, everything is already accessible from your GUI. Not only that, there are so many other things also available that you can do in setup. Not only that, you can define your role of your interface. Like if this interface is connected with LAN, if this interface is connected with WAN, if that interface is creating connectivity with your server zone, that is DMZ, where your servers are installed inside your company. And on the basis of role that is predefined actually from FortiGate end, if you'll see, these below things are all also getting changed. Have you observed anyone? See,
Yes. Yes.
once I'm saying LAN, it is giving one arm sniffer. Once I'm saying DMZ, one arm sniffer is there still. This one is removed. That is IPAM. Okay. Once I'm saying WAN, see, arm sniffer is not there. Correct? And
Yes.
also many things are removed. Understanding that? Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Hi, Sachin sir, are you there? With your due permission, can we just close today's session, please, sir? Because there are other classes are also planned
वेट
in the
सर
same.
मेरे को कुछ क्वेश्चन था सर आपसे.
आप पूछो सर, पूछो.
सर मेरे को चेक पॉइंट भी पढ़ना था, तो चेक पॉइंट का क्लास आप ही लोगे या कोई और लेगा?
आप बोलो सर, आपको मेरे से पढ़ना है मैं दे दूंगा. अगर और किसी ट्रेनर से पढ़ना है आप उनसे भी पढ़ सकते हो.
नहीं, क्योंकि सर मेरे एनवायरनमेंट में मैं तो फोर्टिनेट और पालोल्टो मतलब मैंने रीड कर रखा है सर. मेरे एनवायरनमेंट में भी मैं जहाँ ज्वाइनिंग हूँ वहाँ पे फोर्टिनेट है सर.
ओहो, गुड.
हाँ, तो इसलिए मेरे को नीड है सर फोर्टिनेट की. मैं तीनों फायरवॉल पढ़ूंगा, मेरा बात हुआ है सर से, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
No issue. If you say you want me to teach, then I'll be teaching. No issue. You just can reach to Sachin sir. Okay. Or someone else in the management team.
ओके सर, तो मैं आपसे ही पढ़ना चाहूंगा, कोई नहीं.
Good. That's good.
सर मेरा थोड़ा इंग्लिश वीक है.
I am very good in Hindi. Don't worry.
ओके, थैंक यू सर. आज का क्लास अच्छा रहा सर.
Okay, good.
Hello?
Yes sir, tell me.
सर रिंकू दिस साइड सर. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ सर, इसको जो लैब सेटअप करेंगे सर फर्स्ट टाइम, तो उसका थोड़ा प्रोसेस बताएंगे किस तरह से इसको करेंगे, मान लीजिए कोई लैपटॉप वगैरह पे करना हो.
हाँ, सब कुछ बताऊंगा ना सर. एवरीथिंग आई विल एक्सप्लेन फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. सो ये तो अभी दिखाना था ना सर, अभी सेटअप करता तो पूरा समय निकल जाता.
तो बीच बीच में थोड़ा हिंदी भी बताएंगे तो ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल रहेगा सर.
ना,
थोड़ा
नो इशू. आई एम गुड इन हिंदी एंड
सर,
इंग्लिश
थोड़ा
बोथ.
हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे ना तो ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल रहेगा.
एकदम टेंशन ना लो सर. आप पहले हम इंग्लिश में स्टार्ट करते हैं, जब लोग बोलते हैं तो हिंदी में आ जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल सर.
Don't worry, guys. We'll revise the topic in Hindi also, and we'll cover
Don't
in
worry.
English also. Don't worry.
Definitely, Sachin sir. Yes.
Both
Because
languages.
both language you try to cover, because I know very well in English only
Sir,
and Tamil. Okay, I
I,
know Tamil.
That
I don't have
you
any
need to
idea
train
about
me
English.
on like Tamil. I don't know that.
sir, what is your good name, sir?
My name is Amit, man. Amit. This is
Amit.
Amit.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay,
सर,
guys.
यू आर करेंटली वर्किंग सर?
Yeah, I'm working. Not currently, even it's been time. From decades, I'm working in the industry.
Okay, which company sir?
Man, that is not allowed to share here because of
Okay,
the,
no problem. Okay,
contractual reason.
Okay, no
But
problem.
again, I'll be telling you, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank you for the time today. It was very knowledgeable class today. Thank you, guys. Let's connect by tomorrow, and whoever not taken admission, you can connect to the admission team. Thank you, guys.
Yes.
Good
And
night.
one thing, sir, I will add,
Yeah,
Sachin
yeah,
sir,
please,
just allow
please.
me 1 minute. Okay, guys. So as I think who asked that? I think Suman, you asked. I think right, na? Who was that? Asked like how can we set up these all these devices and lab, right? So
Yes,
you
sir.
not
Rinku
need to
sir.
worry. I'll be explaining you everything from scratch, like how you can take device, even how can you install this environment in your own laptop. Even I'll be telling you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is not an issue. I also worked in VMware as well, so I know if but do's don'ts. So you not need to think more about that. I'll be helping you out to set up that. Not only me, there are so many experts in our team. They'll be helping you out to set up all those labs if I'm not available. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Is this FortiGate like a subscription like free like Cisco or means how can we like take this FortiGate for FortiGate?
Yeah. For the education level things, this is free. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Like almost all the required concept and technology we can cover here in free version. That is in evaluation mode right now.
Okay.
This is registered with my ID right now, or I can register with my institute ID, that is NextGen. Also, no issue at all. But if we are trying to do that. Once this is done, then we can get fully fledged, you can say licensed version as well to show the things here. Okay. Yes, we are trying to get that from Fortinet. We are in the follow up. Once that is done, then you are going to see everything that can be done using Fortinet Firewall.
Right.
But near to everything we will be seeing by crook or hook, that I'll be making available for you guys. Okay. So that was it, guys, from my end. Be in touch and please join tomorrow's session. That is going to become fun. Okay. So very enjoyable, I mean to say, not like joke. That will be very enjoyable tomorrow because we'll be jumping directly to the concept part. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Good
Thank
night,
you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Good
Good
night.
night.